Yes. I'm just chilling on the boat. Wait, what's going on? Oh, wait, where'd those guys go? Where'd those guys?
No, it's on. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, can we
No, you're like on like wood.
Happy British New Year. I know you guys have it different over there, so like we might have, but really, now they're stinky and smelly. Ask Murphy, dude. Stinky, smelly people. Almost.
Nice park job. We didn't do this. I literally put the.
Can we? Back it up, Terry. Back it up, Terry.
Oh, he followed me. There we go. What do you mean forward? All the sails are down. They're all down. Use harpoons.
Harpoons
But you didn't shoot it well. You have to shoot it over here.
Wait, what are we doing here exactly? What are the harpoons gonna do for us? What do you mean? Oh, pull us? Oh, then pull us that way. Yeah, go ahead.
Can you
I
see
got
him
this.
trying
Get out
to
of here.
shoot?
Get out of here.
This isn't working.
Get out. Get into the pond.
Aim high.
Aim what?
Forward. Why forward?
I feel like we're just gonna go through something. Oh, there we go. There we go. I did something.
Did you shit?
I did. Look, ready?
We have to go left because we can't go right.
I'm doing it.
No, we can't go right.
I'm doing it.
We're in a rock.
Oh, we can't go left?
Left. Right, you bum. We have to go left.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, this is...
Manoli, move. Manoli, move. There we go. I'm doing it. Oh. I got you. We're doing something. Yeah. I don't know if I'm turning us the right way. We have to turn us this way, dude. Move! Manoli! Oh, sorry. Sorry, my bad. I hit someone. It's just not working. I don't know what's going on here. Put down the sails, put down the sails.
They are down.
They're down now? I mean, put them up. Wait, we can't all be harpooning at the same time, I think. Something is very wrong with this situation. Can we reverse?
No, they don't.
How did this happen?
Oh, I made it move a little bit. Hold on, we could do this. That's what whoever put up the damn anchor actually. It was Cobb, wasn't it? Cobb. I told you. He got so upset when I put down that kick. This is why. This is why we use the anchor.
Put in reverse. Put in reverse.
Oh, this is done. Wait, are you the one with the Discord that you could join?
Put it.
No. What do you mean? I made it go left a little, except for the fact that like our little. Can we break this shit?
Wait, maybe I can try.
Why is it
Cause you Yes. Dude.
Yeah, I'm watching.
What's going on? Manoli, stop! Get off yours! Get off yours! God, get off!
Oh, the rowboat? Oh wait, our boat. Wait, where did it go?
Boy, I think that.
Wait. Wait, what is this blue smoke?
We have to go to the mermaid. We have to go to the mermaid. What?